This training material is the property of Accessible Tech Planet. Use of this material is restricted and permission must be sought before use. Do not sell or reproduce in any format without the permission of Accessible Tech Planet. Lesson 6.
Opening and closing programs on your computer. How are you? And I want to believe that you are enjoying as you are learning. It's good to learn, isn't it? Yeah, it's good. I can see you smiling. Of course, keep on advancing and continue to be useful to yourselves. So today, we're going straight on how you can open and close programs, or if you like, call it applications on your computer. All right. In our previous lesson, we've learned the desktop, the search screen, and the taskbar. All of these things enables us to have easy access to everything we have on our PC. So I'm going to be using the search screen to search for a program, and I'll be opening and closing them. You can also do the same thing via your desktop or the taskbar. So I'll go to my search screen.
Search box, edit, type in text.
Good. So let's say I want to open document. I'll type document here. I can just type the first few letters.
D. Disk cleanup, desktop app. O. SU, documents, file folder.
Good. You've heard document. To open this document, you can do it in two ways. You can press your right arrow once, and that takes you to what we call the action view. And the first thing you see there is open. But that is not available on all versions of Windows 10, like it is not available on this version I'm using. So if you try it and it is available on your own version of Windows 10, you'll get it, and the first thing you see there is open. But here, instead of doing that, I'm just going to be pressing enter on that name.
Doku, enter, documents, items view, multi-select list box, not selected, custom office templates, 12/10/2020, 12:55 a.m. file folder, 1 of 2. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
Now, as we speak, I've been able to open my document. All right. The document folder is where everything that has to do with documents or folders can be stored, okay, on your PC. So if I want to start selecting things there, I'm going to use my up and down arrow if there is anything I want to look for.
My report, 2 of 2.
So that's a document, my report. And the first document here, if I press my up arrow,
custom office templates, 1 of 2.
Custom office template. I think that's a folder containing some templates for your Microsoft Word. Yeah, so if I scroll down again,
my report, 2 of 2.
My report, 2 of 2. So we just have two things on the document folder. All right. So if I want to open this, my report, I'll press enter on it and it will open. All right. That's how to open a program. If you open a particular program and you don't want it anymore, you can press Alt plus F4 to close it.
Alt F4.
So let's see. Now it has been closed. All right. So let me open this PC.
Search box, edit, type in TH, this PC, desktop app.
I'll press enter to open it.
TH, enter. This PC, items view, multi-select list box, folders collapse.
So let's see what we have on this PC.
Devices and drives expanded. Devices and drives 3-row header expanded.
Don't forget, I'm using my up and down arrow to select whatever I want to select. Okay, but right now I'm pressing my down arrow. So in case I want to go back, I'll press the up arrow.
Windows C 7 of 9.
That's Windows C, that's the hard disk.
DVD-RW drive E 9 of 9.
This is where you go to if you want to play, a CD.
Recovery D 8 of 9.
Yes.
Windows C 7 of 9.
Good. So on this PC, you can use the up and down arrow. You can also use the right and left arrow to select items on it. Now let's say I'm done and I want to close it. I'll press Alt plus F4.
Alt F4.
And it has been closed. Alright, so that is how you can open and close a program. Now let me look for another program. I want to open Word 2016. Maybe I want to type.
Search box O-R Word Desktop App. D Word Desktop App.
Good, that's Word. I'll press enter.
Word, Shift Enter. Opening Word.
Opening Word.
List box Word, featured list box.
So Word is opened right now. Alright, if I want to close it, I'm going to close it by pressing Alt plus F4. Many of users would want to close such by pressing Escape. No,
Escape.
you can't close it by pressing Escape, alright, because it is a program and not just an ordinary folder or something. So to close it, you are going to press Alt plus F4.
Alt F4.
Good. So Word has been closed right now. So that is how you can open and close a program. Don't forget, the function of the escape is just to take you out of unwanted area. Let's say I mistakenly press the Windows key. Let's see.
Search box edit, type in text.
Yeah, and it is not Windows key that I want to press. I'll just press escape.
Escape, desktop.
And that takes me out of there. But once you open a program, once it's a program or an application that you open, or even a folder, you don't close it by pressing escape. You close it by, using the closing program key shortcut. That's Alt plus F4. You hold down your Alt, then you press F4. That is what we call key combination. When you have two keys to press, it's not that you press both keys at the same time. No, you hold down the first one, then you press the second one and release your hand on both. All right, like if I'm asked to press Windows plus T for the taskbar, you hold down your Windows, then you now press T.
Windows T, taskbar, Microsoft Edge button to activate, press spacebar.
Alright, so that's the way to do it. If you still want to continue to press that Windows T, you just hold down the Windows and you'll be pressing T alone. Yeah, that's the way to do it. But if you don't want to use the shortcut again, you release your hand on the key, immediately you press that shortcut and whatever you want has been executed. That's all about opening and closing programs.